Some inventions are so clever that they make you wonder how we ever lived without them. From gadgets that simplify our daily routines to innovations that save time, energy, or even our sanity, these everyday tools are quietly transforming the way we live. They may look ordinary at first glance, but the technology, design, and ingenuity behind them take them to a whole new level. In this video, we'll explore some of the most fascinating everyday inventions that combine practicality with innovation, proving that brilliance often hides in plain sight. Number 1. Irmo M1. The Irmo M1 is an innovative AI-driven wearable exoskeleton designed to boost endurance and reduce knee strain during walking, hiking, and other activities. It uses a combination of cameras, LADAR, laser radar, and a proprietary HMOCS motion assist system to scan terrain ahead and adjust support in real time, helping users move more comfortably across mixed environments. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame and dynamic joints can reduce knee impact by up to 60%, while offering up to 45% powered assistance per stride, making strenuous climbs and long treks easier on the body. Unlike established exoskeletons that are often used in industrial or medical settings and cost tens of thousands of dollars, the Irmo M1 is being offered through a Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign that runs into early January 2026. Early pricing is much lower than typical retail, starting at about $399 for the basic M1 Neo tier, with higher pledge levels costing more based on features, motors, and battery performance. There are also discounted pre-order offers, where placing a refundable reservation deposit, e.g. $10, can secure a campaign best price. Number 2. Hyundai MobED. The Hyundai MobED, Mobile Eccentric Droid, is a next-generation autonomous robotics platform unveiled by Hyundai Motor Group at the International Robot Exhibition, IREX, 2025 in Tokyo. It represents the company's first mass-production-ready mobility robot, designed to operate in both industrial and everyday environments. The platform combines advanced AI-based autonomous navigation with a unique eccentric posture control mechanism, enabling it to maintain stability and adapt its position dynamically on uneven terrain. MobED's core innovation is its drive and lift (DNL) modules and eccentric mechanism, which allows seamless movement across indoor and outdoor surfaces without environment-specific designs. Its LiDAR and camera sensor fusion enables real-time obstacle avoidance, predictive navigation, and autonomous routing, while a touchscreen controller with intuitive UI makes operation accessible across skill levels. Hyundai offers two configurations: MobED Pro, featuring full autonomous capabilities, including Follow Me modes, and MobED Basic, aimed at developers and research use with customizable applications. Both models are scheduled for commercial release in the first half of 2026. Number 3. Liffo Cooking Robot. The Liffo Cooking Robot is a cutting-edge AI-powered autonomous kitchen appliance designed to prepare complete meals with minimal user involvement. Once ingredients are loaded, Liffo automatically handles cooking, from heating and stirring to timing, using built-in intelligence and a companion app for remote control and live monitoring. Its integrated cooling system can store ingredients for up to 24 hours before cooking begins, giving users flexibility in meal planning. As of late 2025, Liffo is available for pre-order in the European market at an official price of €2,989, VAT included. Customers place a €250 refundable deposit now and pay the remaining €2,739 once delivery is confirmed, with shipments expected to begin in late 2025. Currently, Liffo is not officially sold in the United States, so there's no published US retail price yet. International availability and pricing for the US market have not been released by the company. Some tech listings and resellers show speculative US pricing around $3,000 to $5,000 based on conversion and market comparisons, but these figures are unofficial and vary widely. Liffo aims to bring smart, fully automated cooking into modern homes, blending AI, convenience, and culinary versatility in a single robot kitchen assistant. Number 5. 8 Sleep Pod Pillow Cover. The 8 Sleep Pod Pillow Cover is one of the most luxurious sleep upgrades you can buy in 2026. Specifically designed to transform your pillow into a precise temperature-controlled sleep surface. Unlike regular cooling pillows that rely on gels or special foams, this high-tech cover uses active hydro-powered water channels to deliver real cooling or warming from 55 degrees Fahrenheit up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit directly under your head throughout the night. This innovative pillow cover slips over any standard pillow without changing its shape or feel, letting you keep the comfort you already love while giving you consistent temperature regulation. No more constantly flipping your pillow to find the cool side. It also connects to the 8 Sleep ecosystem, allowing it to work seamlessly with your Pod Mattress Covers app and AI-powered autopilot system for real-time temperature adjustments based on your sleep phases. Priced at about $1,049 for a single unit, it includes free shipping, free returns, and a 30-night risk-free trial, making it one of the most premium but genuinely innovative sleep accessories available online in 2026. If you're a hot sleeper, tech lover, or anyone serious about optimizing rest, this pillow cover delivers next-level comfort and control that few other bedding products can match. 5. Matic Robot Vacuum. The Matic Robot Vacuum is a next-generation floor cleaning robot designed to redefine how homes stay clean with minimal user intervention. Unlike traditional round robots, Matic uses a suite of camera-based navigation and onboard AI to create photorealistic 3D maps of your home in real time, while keeping all data processing local for greater privacy. Nothing is sent to the cloud. Matic isn't just a vacuum. It automatically switches between vacuuming and mopping modes based on what it detects, using a unique vision-driven system that recognizes floor types and avoids carpets during mopping. Its large disposable dust water bag, about 1 liter, simplifies waste management, though it does mean regular bag changes. The robot's design emphasizes quiet operation, around 55 decibels, and maneuverability, though its taller frame may not fit under very low furniture. Users can control Matic through a dedicated app that displays live maps, lets you set no-go zones, schedule cleaning routines, and even manually steer the robot when needed. Price: USA. In the United States, the Matic Robot Vacuum typically retails between $1,095 and $1,245 US, depending on current promotions and retailer pricing. These inventions show that even the simplest ideas can have a huge impact on our daily lives. From time-saving gadgets to smart solutions that make tasks easier, they remind us that innovation doesn't always have to be flashy. It can be subtle, clever, and incredibly useful. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious thinker, or someone looking for ways to make life easier, these everyday inventions inspire creativity and appreciation for human ingenuity. Which one impressed you the most? Share your thoughts, and don't forget to explore more innovations that are quietly changing our world.